Instrument installation. Loosen the bolts at the bottom of the bracket by Allen wrench. Lift the branch up and lock it. Install the bracket decorative case. Separate the decorative case. Install them at the bottom of the bracket. Tighten the screws. And tighten the bracket. Remove the 4 screws from mounter back. Fasten the mounter to the bracket. Place attention to the direction of the monitor. And be sure the screws tighten well. Then connect the video cable and power cable. Be sure to tighten well. Adjust the bracket to right position by Allen wrench. And put down the monitor slowly. Put out the screw from the bracket. Install the bracket. Finish the monitor installation. Install the prop cases on the machine. Make sure install well. About the prop connection, please plug and unplug prop must be in the shutdown mode. Please attention the direction of the prop. Insert the prop, lock it, make sure it's tightened well.